Hello guys, Charlie. My name is DJ Parkorich, and today I want to say something very beautiful about our Voltarians, Volta region people. See, if we are talking about people that are well composed, humble, and respectful, you can't take Voltarians out. In fact, they should be number one. See, I will tell you this. This year Easter, I was invited to one of the in Krono Volta region, which is Vakpo, to do a live stream in a video production there. But me, I've done productions in Takrade, Accra, Tema, and all these things, and I know how when you are doing free show, audience behave. I mean, the kind of disturbances are tough time that they give the production houses and the media people. But trust me, Volta region, we went to do a production there. And then we told them, please don't stand here. Please don't stand here. Barricade, don't go beyond the barricade. And nobody went beyond the regulations and the rules that they've set. Very respectable people. Chairs are what's the bay. Everybody calm. Miss Vakpo, they all sat down respectfully. And the most interesting part is that, you see, mostly when we go for events and our gadgets here, we arrange and some is left on the floor. Before you know, somebody will steal some right now. But trust me, not even a pin got missing in Volta region. These people are very special people. So sometimes when I see people looking at them or saying certain things about them, I feel very, very, very bad. Voltarians, I feel them, KK. Very, very composed people. When you tell them don't do it, they won't do it. They won't do it. And like you meet people and for the first time, you are in their town, but the respect they accord you with, no. Charlie, it a big KK. Respect to her. If you be Voltarian, you watch her. Share this video. Big up Elombini, big up to DJ Sedem, big up to Arnold Wheeler, big up to Tina Love, all my Voltarian friends. Charlie, maximum respect to you guys. And I'm looking forward to have one of you in my house very soon.